Let's hear from the toppers who mastered this journey and made their mark. Topper strategies aren't just theories, they are battle-tested techniques that work. Implement these insights in your preparation and march towards your UPSC dream. Aditya Srivastava, AIR1. Success in UPSC isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Analyzing previous year's question papers to understand patterns and writing practice are key. Balance focused effort with diligence for UPSC success. Animesh Pradhan, AIR2. UPSC is not just about hard work, it's about smart work. Minimize errors, enhance accuracy in prelims. Success needs solid intent and honest reasons. Overcoming challenges with determination boosts selection chances. Donuru Ananya Reddy, AIR3. The best way to prepare for UPSC? A seamless approach. Integrated prelims mains preparation ensures comprehensive subject understanding. Dedication, resilience, and consistent effort with a clear focus lead to success. PK Siddharth Ramkumar, AIR4. Clarity is power. Structured study, fundamental clarity, and disciplined preparation are crucial. Perseverance and consistent effort help achieve UPSC success. Ruhani, AIR5. A well-planned strategy can make all the difference. Balanced study schedule, conceptual clarity, and regular revisions are key. General studies and optional subject preparation must go hand in hand. Shrishti Dabas, AIR6. Foundation matters. A disciplined study plan with a balance between general studies and optional ensures a strong foundation and better retention. Anmol Rathore, AIR7. UPSC rewards those who stay the course. Consistency, conceptual clarity, and regular revision strengthen preparation. A balanced focus on general studies and optional is essential. Ashish Kumar, AIR8. The key to success, daily commitment. Resilience and daily study routines help master fundamental concepts. Regular revisions solidify knowledge for success. Nausheen, AIR9. Organization is everything. Maintaining a structured study schedule, conceptual clarity, and frequent revisions lead to consistent progress in preparation. Aishwaryam Prajapati, AIR10. Failure isn't the end, it's a lesson. Restructured preparation after a failed prelims attempt. Equal focus on prelims and mains prevents underestimation of any stage. Kush Motwani, AIR11. Success doesn't happen overnight. A well-structured strategy and dedicated preparation ensure systematic progress across exam phases. Aniket Shandilya, AIR12. Keep pushing forward. Perseverance is key. Never stop putting in effort. Take risks, focus on objectives, and overcome challenges with determination. Medha Anand, AIR13. Success is built on resilience. Success demands patience and continuous effort. Perseverance ensures steady progress despite setback. Shaurya Arora, AIR14. Learn from the past. Analyze previous year's questions to identify patterns. Strategic learning approach strengthened preparation. Kunal Rastogi, AIR15. Mock tests are your best friend. Consistent practice, self-assessment, and learning from setbacks refine preparation. Mock tests help identify weaknesses. Ayan Jain, AIR16. Master your weaknesses before the exam does. Regular mock tests and self-assessment improve accuracy and address weaknesses. Swati Sharma, AIR17. CSAT is not to be ignored. Strengthen CSAT preparation after past failure. Extensive MCQ practice improved performance. Varda Khan, AIR18. Every subject matters. Strengthen CSAT skills, self-belief, resilience, and disciplined preparation are key. Shivam Kumar, AIR19. Your best resource? Past papers. Focused self-study with previous year's papers builds familiarity with exam patterns. Akash Verma, AIR20. Adaptability is key. Switched optional subject for better scoring potential. Authentic responses backed by facts are crucial. Pururaj Singh Solanki, AIR21. UPSC is a test of endurance. Resilience, dedication, and self-improvement are essential for UPSC success. Anshul Bhatt, AIR22. Balance is key. Balanced rigorous study with creative hobbies like graphic designing and rock climbing. Saurabh Sharma, AIR23. Conceptual clarity makes prelims easier. Thorough concept revision ensures prelims success. Prajnanandan Giri, AIR24. Never give up. Persistent preparation and learning from past failures lead to eventual success. Ritika Verma, AIR25. Juggling multiple responsibilities, perseverance and adaptability help balance preparation and responsibilities. Rupal Rana, AIR26. Avoid distractions and stick to reliable resources. Focused on static resources and revision. Nandla Sai Kiran, AIR27. Time management is everything. Managed full-time job with UPSC preparation through effective time management. Pavan Kumar Goyal, AIR28. Speed and accuracy are crucial. Conceptual clarity, consistency, and regular mock tests improve accuracy and speed. Saloni Chhabra, AIR29. Answer writing can make or break your score. Strong foundational concepts, consistency, and answer writing practice ensure excellence in UPSC. Gurleen Kaur Sidhu, AIR30. UPSC is not about memorization, it's about understanding. Build a strong foundation in basic concepts, practice consistently, use standard reference books, and practice mock tests to enhance accuracy and speed. Focus on understanding concepts, not rote learning. Vishnu Sasikumar, AIR 31. One word, practice. Emphasized the importance of consistent practice, stating that practice, and practice was the key to success. Focus on regular and dedicated preparation for the UPSC exam. Arjun Gupta, AIR 32. Consistency beats intensity. Daily discipline is crucial. Consistency over time adds up. Balance studies with short breaks but avoid long break. Dedicated daily effort leads to success in the UPSC exam. Dr. Ritika Aima, AIR 33. Play to your strengths. Tailor preparation to strengths and weaknesses. Use online resources, focus on structured answers, and practice effective answer writing for better presentation and comprehension in the UPSC exam. Zufishan Hack, AIR 34. Avoid information overload. Understand the syllabus thoroughly and avoid multiple sources. Focus on working hard in the right direction to achieve success. A focused approach is more effective than scattered effort. Abhinav Jain, AIR 35. Strategy matters. Understand the exam pattern, focus on core subjects, practice PYQs, and take mock tests. Stay consistent, believe in yourself, and learn from failures to achieve success in UPSC. Ayushi Pradhan, AIR 36. Self-study is your biggest strength. Emphasized self-study, online resources, and notes. Practiced PYQs and mock tests for time management. With self-confidence, patience, and a clear strategy, aspirants can achieve success. Tejas Agnihotri, AIR 37. A strong foundation leads to a strong rank. Build a strong foundation in basic concepts. Focus on core subjects. Practice PYQs, and take mock tests. With dedication, perseverance, and strategy, aspirants can overcome challenges. Animesh Verma, AIR 38. Your mindset matters. Focus on strong conceptual foundation and regular revision. Mock tests enhance problem solving and time management. Believe in yourself, learn from setbacks, and continuously improve. Deepti Rohila, AIR 39. Revise, revise, revise. Build a strong foundation in basic concepts and emphasize regular revision. Mock tests help enhance problem solving skills and time management for UPSC success. Archana PP, AIR 40. Never stop learning. Consistent study and regular practice are key. Mock tests help assess preparation and identify weak areas. Maintain balance and persistent effort to achieve UPSC success. T. Bhuvneshram, AIR 41. Practice makes perfect. Consistent preparation and regular practice are crucial. Utilize mock tests extensively to assess readiness, identify areas needing improvement, and enhance overall performance in the UPSC exam. Khode Sameer Prakash, AIR 42. Your professional experiences can be your strength. Follow the syllabus, stay updated on current affairs, and integrate professional experiences. Perseverance, adaptability, and practical applications enhance preparation and understanding of administrative challenges. Anjali Thakur, AIR 43. A well-rounded approach always wins. Comprehensive syllabus understanding, consistent revision, and regular mock test practice are key to enhancing preparation and ensuring UPSC success. Akanksha Singh, AIR 44. Understanding over memorization. Focus on understanding the syllabus, consistent revision, and practicing mock tests to improve accuracy, time management, and overall UPSC preparation. Ramya R., AIR 45. Current affairs can make or break your score. Prioritize current affairs, consistent revision, and mock interviews to enhance preparation. A structured approach helps in excelling in the UPSC Civil Services examination. Bhavesh, AIR 46. Structure your studies for success. Thorough syllabus understanding, regular revision, and practicing mock tests improve preparation. A structured study plan helps in achieving success in UPSC. Basant Singh, AIR 47. Leverage every experience to your advantage. Perseverance, consistent effort, and leveraging academic and professional experiences help in effective UPSC preparation and achieving success in the examination. Anshul Hindal, AIR 48. Your background is your asset. Focus on perseverance, consistent effort, and utilizing academic and professional experiences to enhance preparation and succeed in UPSC Civil Services examination. Virupaksh Vikram Singh, AIR 49. Polity and beyond, concepts matter. Thorough conceptual understanding, particularly in polity, consistent revision, and extensive mock test practice help improve accuracy and time management in UPSC preparation. K. N. Channa Janavi, AIR 50. Believe in yourself and stay adaptable. Understanding the exam pattern, focusing on core subjects, and practicing mock tests enhance accuracy and speed. Consistency, self-belief, and adaptive strategies lead to success. Each topper had their own approach, but consistency, strategy, and determination were common in all. Learn from their wisdom, apply these strategies, and carve your own success story.